morning all of you. Welcome to in your channel Payal Sunny Math. Now last video our in 5th class chapter number first is completed. Chapter number first is about the numbers. In numbers we learn about the place value, face value, ascending order, descending order, and also their comparison of numbers. Now we start our next chapter, chapter number 2. In chapter number 2 what we learn and understand an explanation. In chapter number 2, addition and subtraction. Addition means two more than two numbers. Add means plus, and in subtraction means minus two numbers minus. In this use of in your class 4th class you understand about the 3-digit addition and subtraction. Now in your 5th class we learn about and understand and solve up to 4 and 5 digits addition and subtraction. In this use of understand place value in addition and subtraction numbers. This is our first topic. It means in addition and subtraction what is the means of place value, or what is your importance of place value. Then how we solve? First we think about place value. Think about place value. We already know about the place value. What is the means of place value? That is the place of number, where is number is stand here, sit there. Like that, if I write here 6, 7, 8, 9, then we read here ones, 10, 100, 1000. Then we can say here 9 place is ones, 9 place is ones, 8 place is tens, and 7 place is 100, 7 place is 100, and 6 place is 1000. 6 place is 1000. And we know that in any numbers, in different number, the place value was change of all numbers. If in this number is 6, place value is 1000. If I write here 7, 6, 8, 7, then here is 6 place value is changed like that. But their face value, we know that face value is always same. Face value means itself. Itself means number itself. Number itself. And what is the means of place value? Place value means where digit sit that place. Like that. Here 9 place on sit, 1 place, 8 place on 10, 7 place here 100, and 6 place on 1000. Where in our chapter number first we only read about the place value. Now we learn about the place value in addition and subtraction. It's very important in addition and subtraction. How? Like that. We can understand by the example. I write here one example. If I write here 6890, 67,891. Here is how many digits? 5 digits. 5 digits. And I say add 67,891 and 4080. 4080. It means in addition of both are number. Now how we write? Simply we write, if I write here, because we know that here is only 4 digit. If here is 5 digit, then we simply write. And one more thing here is also when we add, then starting from ones place, then 1, 9, 8, 7, 6. Like that we write. After that our next number is 4 digit, then we starting from ones. Then ones place, sit on 1 place. Then after that on 10 place is 8, 100 place is 0, and 1000 place is 4. After that there are no number, then we don't write anything. If you want to write, then you only write the 0. If there are no number, then we write here 0. It means 0 means no number. Now we start our addition. Addition is starting from here. When we add in any number to 0, then what is our answer? Itself. Then 1 plus 0 is 1. Then I also write here 1 plus 0 is 1. Then next is 9 plus 8. 9 plus 8. If you learn about that when in 4th class and 3rd class, how we count? We count by our fingers. But in our 5th class, we don't count by fingers. Now we understand by here. Look at here. 9 plus 8. 9 plus 8. If I add here 1 here, then here is 7 and 9 plus 1. 10 plus 7, then 7. It is the first method. If you don't know, then you directly count on your fingers here. Then 9 plus 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16 and 17. Then 17, 7 and 1 carry over. We know that it's when it's carry, then it's make carry addition. Addition of carry by carry, then 8 plus 0 is 8, 8 plus 1, then 9. Now 7 and 4, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, then 11, 1 and 1 carry over. 6 plus 0, 6, 6 plus 1, 7. That is our answer. In this, what is the value of place? Place value means where is your ones place, your first number is first number. In first number, where is your ones place number is written, there you write your next number place value of ones. Like that in your subtraction, it is your 4 carry. Now we check in our subtraction. For subtraction, we know that subtraction means subtraction. In subtraction, big either greater number minus smaller number. If I write here big या greater number minus smaller number, then we call it subtraction. For example, I write here, first we read according to our Indian system, ones, 10, 100, 1000, 10,000. Then we read here 99,999 minus 7,678. If you see here, then you can easily see here your old number are 999 and that or in your second number, all numbers are smaller than 9, then we can say it's without borrow. It's a without borrow subtraction. How we understand? We understand when we see here our second number is 7678, and when we see our first number, in first number all our number is 999. We know that 9 is the bigger than 7, 6 and 8. Then like that we can say it's a without borrow subtraction. Now we solve. First we write from 9. How many 9s? 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 digits number 999. Now we write here 8, 7, 6, 7 and minus. And there are no number, then we put here 0. 9 minus 8, 1, 9 minus 7, 2, 9 minus 6, 3, 9 minus 7, 2 and 9 minus 0, then 9. Not here 0, it's 9. Then we can say, if your question is only asked to you, tell me it's a without borrow or borrow subtraction, then we can see only the number. According to our number, we already say that it is without borrow subtraction. Now next example is with borrow subtraction. Then I will be change your number. Then I write here your number next 76532 minus 4689 and I write here 1. Now first we take see here. First we read this number, ones, 10, 100, 1000, 10,000 lakh. Then 7,65,321. And now here is ones, 10, 100, 1000, 10,000. Then 14,689. Now we can see here is 6 digit number. 6 digit number and it's a 5 digit number. It's a 5 digit number. Then we can say which is bigger here. Your 6 digit number is bigger than our 5 digit number. Then now we our subtraction 1, 2, 3, 6, 5, 7. Now next is 9, 8, 6, 4, 1 and minus sign. There I put here 0. Then 1 minus 9 is not possible. Then how we do borrow? When we borrow from here, then here is 2 minus 1, we borrow only one digit, only one number, then here is left is only 1, and which is the borrow number we write here, then it's make 11, 11 minus 9, 11 minus 9. In your small classes how we learn, first we make here line 11 lines, after that we cut 9 lines, but in your now your standard is 5th class, and how we from 9 11 minus 9, 11 minus 9, and which is left here 2. Now here is 1 is left, 1 minus 8 is not possible. Why? Because here is only 1. 1 is smaller than 8, and we know about in our subtraction bigger minus smaller than. What we do? From borrow from next number. When we borrow from 1, from 3, then here is left is 2, and here is make 11. 11 minus 8, 11 minus 8 is 3. Now again you can see here is 2 and here is 6. 2 minus 6 is not possible. Then how we solve? Borrow from next digit. Here is next digit is 5, 6. Then we borrow from 6. Then it is left 5 and it's make 12. 12 minus 6, 6. Now 5 minus 4 is possible. Why? Because 5 is bigger than 4. Then 5 minus 4 is 1. 5 minus 1 is 4. And 7 minus 0 is 7. That is your answer. It is your answer. Like that, if your question is come, it is simply or subtraction is given. If your question is say, if your question is given in Devanagari script, Devanagari script, Devanagari script, then how we solve? Devanagari script means it is written like in our India, like that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, like that. Then how we solve? It is very simple. If we know that it is the symbol of 1, it is the symbol of 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, like that we write. In your like that your question is come out, then how we solve? It's also simple like that. How we solve? Simply we solve addition and subtraction of Hindu-Arabic number. Hindu-Arabic number, which is number starting there are only 10 numbers, 10 digit. Which digit in Hindu-Arabic? There is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. It is the 10 digit. It is by this 10 digits we make any other number. Like that in your Devanagari script there are also 9 digit. 9 digit which one, also 10 digit which is starting from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Now in your Devanagari script total is 10 and infinite number. Now we start from Devanagari mathematics, addition and subtraction of Devanagari numbers. From Devanagari numbers, if I write here 7, 8, 6 and 5 plus I write here 1, 2, 3 and 5. Add of 7, 8, 6, 5 plus 1, 2, 3 and 5. Then how we add? We add very simple. Now simply 7, 8, 6, 5. Then now 5, 3, 2 and 1. Now plus sign. 5 and 5 is 10. 1 0. 1 carry over. 6 and 3 is 9. 9 or 1. 10 0. 1 carry over. Then next 8 and 2 is 10. 8 and 2 is 10 and 1 11 and 1 carry over. Now like this 7 and 1 8 and 1 9. 7 and 1 and 8 1 9 8 9 like that. Like that we solve in Devanagari numbers. It is the your addition. Now we start our subtraction of Devanagari script and Devanagari numbers. In Devanagari numbers, subtraction is also same in subtraction. In subtraction. Subtraction means bigger number minus smaller number. Smaller number. For example, I write here 9, 7, 8, 0 minus 7, 8, 9, 3. 9, 3. Now we start subtracting from here is 9, 7, 8, 0 and this is 7, 8, 9, 3. Now you can see here is starting from 9 and here is starting from 7 and which is number here is smaller, that your second number is smaller. Now our subtraction 9, 7, 8, 0. Next is 3, 9, 8 and 7. Now subtraction 0 minus 3 is not possible, then we carry from 8. We carry from 8, then here is make 10. Here is make 10. I make here 10 like 1 10 and it's converted into 7. And 10 minus 3 is 7. 10 minus 3 is 7. Here is 7 minus 9 is not possible. 7 minus 9 is not possible. Then what we do? Borrow from 7 and here is left is 3 and here is 1. Then 17 minus 9, it is 17. 17 minus 9, 8. 17 minus 9 is 8. Now here 6 minus 8 is not possible. 6 minus 8 is not possible. Then we borrow from 9. Then here is left is 8 and it's make 16. 16 minus 8, 8 and what is here left? Here left is 8. 8 minus 7, here left is 1. Then if you solve, then it's 1, 8, 8, 7 is your answer. Only remember, only Devanagari 10 numbers, 9 numbers you remember, then you can solve any your numbers, addition and subtraction. Which is here is first is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. 9 and 10. If you remember the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Like that your first use of understanding place value in addition and subtraction is completed. I hope you like and you understand about the simply addition and subtraction and also addition and subtraction of Devanagari numbers. Thank you for watching my video. Please like, share, subscribe and comment. If you want to ask to some questions, then you can write in comment box. Thank you.